I'm pretty sure that's a coyote. It's been doing that for about 30 minutes. I thought he was fighting with another coyote, but it's been going on for 30 minutes. I think it's caught in a trap or something.